So, as you have done our one-to-one bootcamp or our TS4's private bootcamp, so would you advise to explore any one of your friend or family member in your circle? Do you advise us to your friends or family?
Yes, of course, definitely. I already advise a few of my family, like not the family, my friends or my, like relatives that as I know they are just want to change their career, or as I know they are just looking for something they just want to do. So the first thing, yes, I definitely advise, I just, set up a meeting with sir, or at least first I just, share my experience that, yeah, I was in that place, right now I am in here just because of this course, just because of sir, because sir is the person who just anything happen, either you are not student or you are not, in a sir's hand, but anything happens, sir is the person who will give you the honest and better solution. So at least speak with sir, at least share your story with sir, and then sir is he's like the most, not like very expert, like he's experienced person, because he has been here in a very long year, and then he know the job market, he knows the situation here. So he at least he can just give you the better solution. Either you can just join or no, that doesn't matter. But yeah, of course you can just at least talk to sir, and then you will go from there, because I cannot push them, or I cannot just force them, yeah, you have to do it right. But I just suggest them, okay, so you can just go speak with sir, and then sir will take it from there. So yeah, definitely. So I'm just thinking, if I just, like beneficiary from here, I can change my career. So why not one of my friend, they are just looking for something good. Why don't like give some the good suggestion that can help them better to make a better life.
Yes, I agree with that. So again, the best advice, follow your own organic experience. What are the best practices, what you should do, what you should not do, and how it is possible, as she mentioned. And we just cannot tell anybody you cannot do it. Everybody can do it, as long as you know your path, you know your like the dedication. It is completely doable. It is completely possible.